Everyone, if you are passing through a rough patch of your life, then this video is for you. Nowadays, still a lot of people waiting for someone to motivate them. But they don't know. Actually, they can make themselves as their own motivation. Are you confused? Don't worry today. We will talk about it. My name is Aniza Mazari and I am motivational speaker. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and start a new journey with me. Let's start the topic. There is a reason why we feel stuck in life. Why we feel like we are waiting for something, waiting for a sign, waiting for approval, waiting for someone to tell us that we are good enough, that we are capable, that we have what it takes to achieve our dreams. But let me ask you this. How long will you wait? How long will you keep looking at others, expecting them to recognize your worth before you recognize it yourself? The truth is, the longer you wait for validation from the outside world, the more you delay your own success, your own growth, and your own happiness. Because no one can truly see your vision the way you do. No one can understand your potential the way you do. So why do you still need their validation? Why do you still need someone to tell you, yes, you can do this? Most of the time, we are not even fighting real obstacles. We are fighting self-doubt. We are scared to move forward because we are not sure if we are good enough. And instead of believing in ourselves, we look around, hoping that someone else will believe in us first. But what if no one does? What if the world does not give you a standing ovation? What if the people around you don't see your potential? Will you stop? Will you quit? Or will you decide right now that you don't need anyone else's approval to live the life you want? Think about the most successful people in the world. Do you think they waited for someone to tell them they were good enough? No. They believed in themselves even when no one else did. They kept moving forward even when no one was clapping for them. They didn't wait for permission to chase their dreams. They created their own path. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to stop waiting for someone to recognize your potential and start believing in yourself. It is not easy, I know, because we have been conditioned to seek approval. From childhood, we have been taught to look for praise, to look for reassurance. A teacher tells us we are smart and we feel intelligent. A parent tells us we are talented and we believe it. But what happens when no one tells us? Does that mean we are not intelligent or talented anymore? Of course not. Your abilities do not disappear just because no one is praising you. Your value does not decrease just because others fail to see it. You are still capable, still talented, still strong. Even if no one says it out loud. You need to start speaking those words to yourself. You need to remind yourself every day that you are good enough, that you are strong enough, that you are capable of achieving greatness. Don't wait for someone else to say it. Say it to yourself. Look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am enough. Say it until you believe it, because once you believe in yourself, nothing else matters. The world will always have opinions. People will always have something to say. Some will support you, some will doubt you. But at the end of the day, the only voice that truly matters is your own. So stop waiting. Stop looking for external validation. Stop waiting for someone to give you permission to live your best life. You don't need their approval. You don't need their validation. You are enough. You always have been. And the moment you truly believe that, you will stop looking outside for motivation because you will become your own greatest source of strength. There will be moments in life when you feel lost. Moments when nothing makes sense, when you question your decisions, your abilities, and even your worth. It is in these moments that you will look for something, some inspiration, some motivation to push you forward. You will search for it in books, in speeches, in the words of others. And while these things may help for a short time, they will not last, because true motivation, the kind that keeps you going when everything is falling apart, does not come from the outside. It comes from within you. Too often we rely on others to lift us up. We expect someone to come and inspire us, to remind us why we started, to tell us to keep going. But what happens when no one is there? What happens when you are standing alone in your struggles, when no one is cheering for you, when the world seems to have turned its back on you? In that moment, you have two choices. You can give up, or you can become your own motivation. You can remind yourself why you started. You can tell yourself that you are stronger than your circumstances. You can push yourself forward even when everything inside you is screaming to stop. Being your own motivation means not depending on the world to lift you up. It means learning how to find strength in your failures, how to turn pain into power, how to keep moving forward even when no one else believes in you. Because let's face it, not everyone will support your journey. Not everyone will understand your dreams. Some will doubt you, some will criticize you, and some will even try to pull you down. But if you have the ability to motivate yourself, none of that will matter. You will keep going, not because others are pushing you, but because you refuse to stop. It is easy to be motivated when things are going well, when you are succeeding, when people are praising you, when everything is falling into place. Motivation comes naturally. But life is not always easy. There will be failures. There will be setbacks. There will be days when you feel like you are not making any progress. It is on those days that you must find the strength to keep going. Not because someone is telling you to, but because you owe it to yourself. Think about the times in your life when you overcame something you thought you never could. Maybe it was a difficult exam, a heartbreak, a financial struggle, or a personal loss. In those moments, no one knew how much pain you were in. No one saw the battle you were fighting inside your mind. But you made it through. You survived. And if you can survive those moments, you can survive anything. The strength you need is already inside you. You just need to recognize it. Self-motivation is not about pretending that everything is perfect. It is about acknowledging your struggles and choosing to fight anyway. It is about looking at your problems and saying, I will not let this defeat me. It is about waking up every morning and deciding that no matter how hard yesterday was, today is a new day, and you have the power to make it better. So stop waiting for someone else to inspire you. Stop depending on others to lift you up. Become your own biggest supporter, your own greatest source of strength, because when you learn to motivate yourself, you become unstoppable. No failure can break you, no setback can hold you down, and no challenge can defeat you. The power is in your hands. Use it. There comes a time in life when everything feels heavy. You feel stuck, exhausted, and unmotivated. It seems like no matter how hard you try, things just don't work out. In these moments, most people wait for someone else to lift them up. They expect a friend, a mentor, or even a stranger to come and inspire them, to tell them they are capable, to remind them why they started. But the truth is, if you keep waiting for motivation from the outside, you will never move forward, because motivation does not come from others. It comes from within you. Every person has two voices inside their mind, one that is full of doubt, fear, and excuses, and another that is full of strength, courage, and hope. The problem is most people listen to the negative voice, the one that says, you are not good enough, you will fail, you should just give up. They believe this voice without question, and it stops them from reaching their full potential. But what if, instead of listening to the doubts, you chose to listen to the other voice, the one that says, you can do this. You are capable. You are stronger than this challenge. That voice exists inside you, but it is up to you to listen to it. The key to self-motivation is learning how to control your thoughts. Because your thoughts shape your actions. If you wake up every morning telling yourself that life is hard, that you are tired, that things will never change, then that is exactly what will happen. Your mind will believe what you tell it. But if you wake up every morning and say, I am capable, I will find a way, today will be a great day, your mindset will shift. You will start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. You will start believing in yourself instead of doubting your ability. Self-motivation is not about being positive all the time. It is about making a choice every day. A choice to keep going, even when things are difficult. A choice to push forward, even when you feel like giving up. A choice to focus on progress instead of perfection. Because let's be honest, there will be days when you do not feel motivated. There will be days when you feel tired, discouraged, and overwhelmed. But those are the days when self-motivation matters the most. Think about the most successful people in the world. Do you think they feel motivated every single day? No, they feel tired, they feel discouraged, they face failures just like everyone else. But what makes them different is that they do not wait for motivation to come to them. They create it. They wake up and decide to keep going, no matter how they feel. They remind themselves why they started. They push themselves, even when it is difficult. And that is what makes them successful. You have that same power inside you. You do not need someone else to tell you to keep going. You do not need outside validation to believe in yourself. Everything you need is already within you. You just have to stop waiting for motivation and start creating it. Take control of your thoughts. Replace self-doubt with self-belief. Set small goals and celebrate your progress. Focus on your strengths instead of your weaknesses, and most importantly, never stop pushing yourself forward. At the end of the day, the only person who can truly motivate you is you. The only person who can change your life is you. So stop waiting for someone else to lift you up. Look in the mirror and remind yourself that you are strong, capable, and worthy of success. Because when you become your own motivation, nothing in the world can stop you. There are moments in life when you feel completely lost. You work hard, you give your best, but things don't seem to work out. You start doubting yourself. You wonder if you're even capable of achieving anything great. In these moments, it's easy to feel discouraged. It's easy to believe that maybe success is not for you, that maybe you're not good enough. But here's something you need to understand. Failure does not define you, but how you respond to it does. Every challenge, every setback, and every disappointment is shaping you into a stronger version of yourself. Most people see failure as the end. When they fail, they stop trying. They tell themselves, maybe this is not meant for me, or I don't have what it takes. But successful people, the ones who truly achieve something in life, see failure differently. They see it as a lesson. They see it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to improve. Instead of giving up, they ask themselves, what can I do better? How can I improve? What lesson is this failure teaching me? And that mindset makes all the difference. Think about a baby learning to walk. When a baby takes their first steps, they fall. Not just once, but many times. But do they give up? No. They keep trying, they keep pushing, and eventually they learn to walk. Now imagine if a baby thought the way most adults do. Imagine if after falling a few times, they said, maybe walking is not for me. That would sound ridiculous, right? But that's exactly what most of us do. The moment we face difficulties, we start thinking that maybe success is not for us. But the truth is, success is not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Your failures are not proof that you are weak. They are proof that you are trying. And as long as you keep trying, you will keep improving. The problem is, most people fear failure so much that they stop themselves from even trying. They are afraid of making mistakes, afraid of looking foolish, afraid of what others will say. But let me ask you something. What is worse, failing, learning, and growing? Or never even trying and living your whole life wondering what could have been? You see, self-motivation comes from understanding that failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success. Every great person you admire has failed at some point. Every successful person has faced rejection, disappointment, and obstacles. The only difference is they did not let failure stop them. They used it as fuel to push forward. They kept going when others gave up. They saw challenges not as barriers, but as stepping stones. You need to remind yourself that failure is temporary, but giving up is permanent. No matter how many times you fall, you always have the choice to stand up again. No matter how many obstacles come your way, you always have the power to keep pushing forward. Your dreams, your goals, and your success are all within reach. But only if you refuse to let failure break you. So the next time you face a setback, instead of feeling hopeless, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? The next time you fail, instead of giving up, remind yourself that failure is just a step towards success. The only real failure in life is the failure to try. As long as you keep moving forward, no failure can defeat you. So don't let one bad chapter make you close the book. Keep writing your story. Keep believing in yourself. Because every challenge you overcome is bringing you one step closer to success. There comes a time in life when you feel like you have lost your energy, your passion, and your excitement to move forward. You start questioning yourself. Why am I not making progress? Why does success seem so far away? And in these moments, the easiest thing to do is to look around and seek motivation from others. You start waiting for someone to inspire you, someone to push you, someone to tell you that you are capable. But what if that person never comes? What if no one reminds you how strong you are? What if the world stays silent? This is where the real challenge begins. Because the truth is, no one is coming to save you. No one is responsible for your success except you. If you sit around waiting for motivation, waiting for the right moment, waiting for someone to push you, you will stay exactly where you are, because motivation is not something you find outside, it is something you create within yourself. Think about this. If you are hungry, do you wait for someone to come and feed you? No. You go and find food. If you are thirsty, do you wait for someone to bring you water? No. You get up and get it yourself. So why do we treat motivation any differently? Why do we wait for someone else to light a fire inside us? You have to stop depending on external motivation and start being your own source of inspiration. The most successful people in the world are not the ones who always feel motivated. They're the ones who keep going even when they don't feel like it. They understand that motivation is temporary, but discipline is what keeps you moving. And discipline comes from a deep understanding that your dreams are your responsibility. If you truly want something, you have to wake up every single day and remind yourself why you started. You have to push yourself even when no one is watching. You have to believe in yourself even when no one else does. Many people have dreams, but very few take action. Why? Because taking action is hard. It requires effort. It requires consistency. And most people don't want to do the hard work. They would rather wait for motivation to magically appear. But motivation does not work like that. It does not knock on your door. You have to create it by taking action. Imagine a person who wants to get fit. They watch motivational videos, read inspiring quotes, and even set goals. But when it's time to actually exercise, they say, I don't feel motivated today, maybe tomorrow. And this cycle continues. Months go by and nothing changes. Now, imagine another person who wakes up every day and exercises even when they don't feel like it, even when they are tired, even when they don't see immediate results. They push themselves because they understand that motivation comes after action, not before it. The more they show up, the more motivated they become. This is the secret most people don't realize. Motivation follows action. The more you do, the more inspired you feel. The more effort you put in, the more energy you create. You don't need to wait for motivation to start. You need to start to feel motivated. And once you understand this, your entire life will change. So stop waiting for someone to push you. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for motivation to come from outside. Be your own motivation. Remind yourself every day why you started. Take action even when it's hard. Push yourself even when you don't feel like it. Because the truth is, the only person who can change your life is you. There will be days when you feel like giving up, days when you feel exhausted, unmotivated, and lost. You will question yourself. Why am I even trying? Why does it feel so hard? Why am I not seeing results? And in these moments, it is easy to stop, to slow down, to convince yourself that maybe this journey is not for you. But before you let these thoughts take over, ask yourself one simple question. What if I keep going? What if you push yourself a little more? What if you refuse to give up? What if instead of stopping, you take one more step forward? Because here is the truth. Success does not come from comfort. It does not come from staying in the same place, waiting for things to change. Success is built by those who keep going, even when it's difficult. Think of a river. A river never stops flowing just because there are rocks in its path. It does not complain. It does not turn back. It keeps moving, finding a way around every obstacle. And over time, it carves its own path through even the hardest stones. This is how you should approach your life. No matter how many difficulties come your way, no matter how many challenges you face, keep moving forward. Keep pushing, keep learning, keep growing. The most successful people in the world are not the smartest, the strongest, or the luckiest. They are simply the ones who never quit. They face failure, but they learn from it. They experience setbacks, but they use them as lessons. They feel tired, but they remind themselves why they started, and that is what separates them from the rest. Now you might think, but I don't see progress. And that's normal. Progress is not always visible. Imagine a seed planted under the soil. For weeks, there's nothing to see, no signs of growth, no leaves, nothing. But deep underground, the seed is growing roots, getting stronger, and then one day it breaks through the surface. That is how progress works. Just because you don't see results right away does not mean you are not growing. Every effort, every step, every small action is preparing you for something bigger. But many people give up too soon. They work hard for a few weeks, a few months, and when they don't see results, they stop. What they don't realize is that they were closer than they thought. Maybe just one more step, one more try, one more day, and they would have succeeded. But they quit before they could see the reward. Don't let that be you. When you feel tired, remind yourself why you started. Think about the dreams you had when you first began. Think about the person you want to become. Think about the life you want to create. Let that be your reason to keep going. And if you ever feel like stopping, remember this. You have already come so far. You have already survived difficult days. You have already overcome challenges that once felt impossible. If you could do it before, you can do it again. So don't stop now. Push yourself a little more. Stay consistent. Believe that all your hard work will pay off because it will keep moving, even if it's slow. Keep going, even if it's hard. Because one day you will look back and realize that every struggle, every challenge, every difficult moment was worth it. And that day, you will thank yourself for not giving up.